you ever sit down to code and suddenly your brain starts doing loading, buffering, reconnecting?
Yeah, same.
Becoming a better programmer isn't about turning yourself into some robot typing 1,000 lines per minute. It's more like slowly upgrading your character in a video game. One skill point here, one skill point there. Before you know it, you're doing things that used to look like witchcraft. The first thing that actually makes you better is consistency. Not, I coded for 10 hours today, I'm unstoppable. That doesn't count. I'm talking simple daily practice. Even 30 minutes a day stacks up faster than one weekend marathon. Coding is like the gym. Skip long enough and your skills start shrinking like they've been left in the sun. Another thing that helps a lot is learning how to Google properly. I'm not even joking. People think being a programmer means knowing everything. Please, even the pros are searching things like, how to center a div again? Your real superpower isn't memorizing. It's knowing where to find answers faster than everybody else. Also, stop trying to write perfect code on the first try. You're not building a spaceship. You're just building something that works. Make it ugly, make it messy, make it barely functional. Then clean it later. Half the stress people feel comes from trying to code like they're applying for a job at NASA. Relax. Even NASA uses Stack Overflow. One thing that nobody tells you is this: talk to your code. No, really. When you explain the problem out loud, your brain suddenly goes, oh, wait, that's what's wrong. It's the same magic that happens when you tell your friend your whole life problem, and halfway through you're like, actually, I think I just solved it. Surround yourself with real developers too. Not the ones that mock beginners. The good ones who give advice, share memes, and tell you the truth without making you feel small. Your circle matters. Being around people who are learning and growing makes you learn and grow by accident. And please, write projects that actually excite you. Not boring to-do list number 27. Build something chaotic, something fun, something silly. Build a calculator that insults you when you're wrong. Build a website that plays Vine sounds when you click buttons. Build something that makes you laugh, because that's what will keep you coding. And finally, celebrate your wins. That bug you fixed at 2 a.m.? Victory. That project you finally deployed? Victory. That moment when your code didn't break for days? Massive victory. Progress is progress, and every little upgrade counts. Becoming a better programmer isn't about being the smartest in the room. It's about being someone who doesn't give up when the errors start arguing with you. Keep going, keep practicing, keep having fun. Before you even realize it, you'll look back and think, wow, I'm actually good at this now.